Today, we moved the ladies to fresh pasture, as we do most days. As usual, some of the calves had navigation issues and needed Spock's assistance in finding the gate. At length, everybody settled into a new munch.
Wait.
We are in a punishing drought, and grass is barely growing. That explains the very short stand the cows left behind.
Walk up. Come by. Walk him up. Walk up.
Perhaps you're thinking, this is all very interesting, but what does it have to do with birds?
Good job, Sparky. Good job.
As Spock was escorting the herd through the gate, a Loggerhead Shrike, eastern North America's smallest raptor, appeared following the cattle. In much of the eastern U.S., shrikes have become scarce, and a breeding or wintering shrike is rare. A single shrike sometimes winters here, following the cattle as they enter fresh pasture and spook the mice. We are excited because today he or she made the winter debut. So, if you want to see a loggerhead shrike in winter, this bird's advice is find a cattle farm that practices rotational grazing, and scan carefully near the cattle, especially as they enter fresh pasture, scattering the mice. Whether or not you see the shrike, it may leave you a message, like the clean-picked skull of a grassland rodent on a fence post. Shrikes, probably males, like to display hunting trophies.